So what kind of spontaneous should it be?
Just we sing happy birthday. I mean,
Why don't we just sing her what in the butt?
Well, how would you do that?
No, because Christy doesn't. That's not Christy's.
Oh, okay.
So what is Christy?
We should just sing her happy birthday.
So do it.
Okay, come on. Somebody needs to stand up with me. No, it's gotta be like a lot of energy, a lot of like kicking, and you tell us when it's ready.
It's been going for a while.
No, you need to start over.
Ready?
You say better than that. Just pause it and start over.
Do
No.
cheerleader. Do ready?
Ready?
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, dear Christy. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Wow, that's some boobalicious moments.
We love you.
Right? That was a no bra moment.
That was good. That was good.
Yeah, no problem.
Good, good.